Good morning, everybody. Here for Eric's Garage AZ, coming at you from a car show here, Nancy Perry Productions. The breakfast crew's in, and it is now 6:30 in the morning. We've been here since about 6 o'clock or so, and the parking lot's starting to fill up with a whole lot of cars. And thanks to Nancy Perry Productions, the first 100 cars got in here free, and I'm car number 53, so I got it for free, which is cool. I'm going to take a few minutes today and show you some cars, show you some cool people, maybe get an interview or two. All right, so check it out.
Once every 2 years, because I know it holds up. They have a tire right here, and you can rub the sidewall with a white rag. Don't rag comes off. You're scrubbing your tires, and next to the driveway, making your gym shoes squeak. Once every 2 years.
Incredible. Now I noticed you obviously have the tire rags. They get you in stores. Now you have the white wall. I see the black wall tire rags. You have a couple of different ones.
Yeah, the white walls take a different process to extract the dirt from the forms. Once it's extracted, you don't have to clean the scrub, bleach white, or anything else. It doesn't extract. And a show special is $10 and a $12 shipping is all over.
Well, I got news for you. If you haven't tried this product, you need to come up and do so. It's a great product. I recommend it. And let me tell you something. I flipped the channels at home. My wife and I a couple weeks ago on holiday, and guess
holy crap, check this out.
And you were doing something
this thing is seriously slammed down on the ground.
Holiday weekend.
In preparation for Memorial Day,
look at that.
With Scouts and my product, Mission Restore Bronze Wax, we restored 246 military grade markers at previous cemeteries on Channel 10 and on
Over 240 gravestones out there, Nancy, on a holiday weekend.
Austin, Arizona, right? Yeah. I understand their event in Tempe got canceled or something because the cops came in and rolled up on them and said no more.
Yeah, it's because a bunch of idiots kept racing and stuff.
I know, and that's never good.
Normally, if they go into a cemetery and has a restored, it's $200 to $300 for doing it. No charge to the family whatsoever.
What's really cool is last weekend I was sitting around you guys and put some on Renee's SUV, and Renee's SUV. Once you put that on there, I saw a huge difference before you left Saturday night.
Yeah, if the trim on your car is gray, it saturates in, turns it black again. We've done the Chevy Avalanches and our Victorias for fading out. But if you got a daily driver, a truck that looks bad, stop up here. It's only $10. They will probably do 2 cars, all the trim on.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Ramjet Speed Shop. What's up?
Morning. Beautiful day.
Absolutely.
Check this out. Big old fat slicks on the back there. Take this bad devil out, man. Had some serious wheels. And some serious tire width back there.
Absolutely.
Think this bad devil set it for racing. Look at that roll bar in there. Full roll cage. I bet you he's got a little bit of juice in the back end. Sweet car. Well, of course he does. Look at this.
What we don't have, engine parts, car parts, suspension, we can usually get within a few days. We won't be beating price. We are very competitive.
Absolutely, and that's what's really cool. You will not be beaten that price. I know that for a fact.
No, that's Daddy-O's deal. We research it out. We find the cheapest price there is, and we either match it or beat it.
All right, very cool. And where are you guys located at?
Road, right just moved to a new location.
For sale.
Goodwill.
Anybody want it?
Just south of Cactus on Cape Creek.
Old school patina. This is cool stuff, man.
Right up the Cape Creek, everybody. Check it out.
Old school 1963 Ford station wagon.
Sponsors love ramjets. I smell burrito.
Oh, I'm gonna walk over here. Let's go check it out. Let's go
That's
out.
cool.
Let's see what they got.
Very cool.
Look here. Cruiser's coming in right now. Look at this, Nancy.
Look at this Ford truck. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful truck right here.
I'm gonna walk all the way down to the end over here. All right. All right. I'm gonna sneak in here because guess what, people? He's got it going on. A little chorizo, a little bit of egg, a little bit of cheese. He's got it going on.
Oh, those rims do look good on that.
There you go. All right, Nancy, I know you're going to check it out.
This tomorrow, so we had just in Glendale College. You give her this tomorrow too.
In the middle, have the gold ring. Yeah. We want, rims are nice rims.
And just on the other side over here, Desert Rose Espresso. Man, oh man. We got Desert Rose Espresso in the house. You want the cappuccino?
I think that's the emergency booze kit right there.
They want hot chocolate, iced latte, mocha, white chocolate mocha, and you got frappuccino. What else you got?
Oh, I like that.
There you go. Desert Rose Espresso in the house over here. So make sure you check out the Desert Rose. All right, we're cruising. It's 7 morning. Cruising in. Nancy Perry Productions, AZ